however, has not. He has not had access to the account because I changed the password.
Aye, and sir, I don't even have a computer, so there.
Yes, and anyway, I have randomly selected using an online randomizer of the various suggestions that were submitted to us. And I have with me here right now a list of those 4 things that Mr. Punt has not seen. And I am going to get him to guess what the greatest treasure is, those 4 things, using no actual words, only pantomime and gibberish.
What?
And as a rare treat, normally we do this live in front of all of you in the audience, and you have heard the suggestions shouted out. But now you at home, here now, do not know what these are either. So you can play along at home and see if you can guess what these 4 things are. Very well. Now, as we get each one of these things right, if Mr. Punt gets them correctly, I want you all to yell, scream, cheer, applaud, and go completely out of your minds. Because it's going to be a miracle. And it will also disturb the neighbors. Very good. Which I think is probably the most important part. Very well. Mr. Punt.
Aye, sir.
Are you ready for some virtual gibberish?
I am ready, sir. I know exactly what the treasure was, sir.
Very well. Briskavakasunube.
Askeba.
Bushkavakasinube. Agasunube. Agasunube.
Eh?
Babakashunta Satundabe.
Oh, skedebe. Oh.
Ah. Agasunda Gasere. Twink.
What's good? Oh, skedebe. Of course, sir. Of course, I remember it well.
Bagashunda. Bagashunda has said of it.
Ah, the owner of the treasure.
Megasudebe. Agasudebe. Megasudebe. I'm sudebe.
What's good?
Flip. Ah. Whip.
What's good? Oh, it's gonna be.
I guess it a ting. I because soon to make a seed to give a sheet of this today.
Yes, of course, sir, of course. Where the treasure was hidden.
I guess it Cling, 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 cling.
Askadabada.
We got like a stream of days.
Askadabada. The guardian of the treasure.
I will shoot him. I can see. I can shoot him.
Askadabada.
As I.
Askadabada.
I can shoot him.
Askadabada.
We can soon to be. Very well. Mr. Punt.
Aye, sir.
What is the treasure?
Well, sir, let me see if I've got this right, sir.
Yes.
I remember it well, sir. The treasure, if I remember correctly, was the golden dashboard hula girl of Stan Lee, hidden in Alcatraz, and guarded by that dread, roughly CR5 owlbear?
Correct! That is absolutely 100% correct.
Hooray!
Well done, Mr. Punt. Well